Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can downgrade your Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone and I'm going to show you some methods you can try to downgrade your Android mobile phone. The first one, I'm going to go to my setting and then I'm going to go to the general management setting. Okay, here we need to go to the reset menu and then choose the factory data reset, and then it will make your phone back to its default setting or its default state. You can click on factory data reset and then you can scroll down until you find the reset button, and after you do factory data reset, your phone will be back to its default system. But of course guys, after you reset your phone, you will lose all your data in your Android mobile phone. So I'm going to show you another method to downgrade your phone without losing your data. Okay, you can go back to the main setting and go to the apps menu and then click on this icon, and you need to show the system apps in your Android mobile phone. Okay, and then here we need to find the software update application. Okay, you can scroll down until you find software update. Wait, I'm still looking for it guys. Okay, let me just search it. I'm going to search for software update. Okay, and then you can choose this one, and here you need to go to storage and then clear the cache, and you're going to I'm going to type in software update again, and you can go to storage and make sure you clear the data and also the cache. If this method still can't work, you can force this app to stop. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the last method to downgrade your Android mobile phone. So you need to go to your Play Store and then you can download this application. Let me downgrade, and then you can open it, and then you just need to follow the tutorial here to downgrade your Android mobile phone. Okay, here is the explanation and you can follow it. Okay guys, and that's all the methods to downgrade Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.